Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making air fryer 3 little pig sandwich. Let's begin. We have here some bacon that we already cooked in the air fryer. We're using original black label bacon. If you want a more detailed video on how to cook the bacon in the air fryer, there's a link in the video description below. We have here some pulled pork in barbecue sauce from Big Shoulder Smokehouse. And it's fully cooked. Now let's open it up. We're going to cut the bag a little bit, just like that. And we're going to put it in the microwave for 2 minutes, and we'll be back. Okay, it's been warmed up in the microwave. Let's take it out. We're going to put the pulled pork to the side. We have here some King's Hawaiian pretzel buns. Let's take them out. These King Hawaiian buns are really delicious. You should give it a try. I'm going to break them apart. We have here 2 tablespoons of melted butter. We're using Kerrygold Irish butter, salted. We're just going to brush some of the melted butter on the bun. Looking good. We have here some smoked deli ham from Hormel. I'm going to open it up. We're going to put a couple slices of ham for each sandwich. Looking good. We're going to take some of the pulled pork and put it on top. Looking good. We have here some sharp cheddar cheese, and we're going to put it on top. Looking good. This is what it looks like before we put it in the air fryer. And now let's put it in. Next, we're going to put some bacon on top. There you go. We're going to put the buns on top. And now let's put it in. We're going to turn it on. We're going to turn it to 370 degrees for a total time of 5 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 5 minutes at 370 degrees. Let's take it out. Looking great. Okay, this is what we have today, air fryer 3 little pig sandwich. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.